Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives. Today, let's go for a drive in the 2022 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray 2LT. This vehicle is finished in torque red with an adrenaline red interior. This has the Z51 performance package as well, which has the Z51 performance suspension, performance brakes, performance exhaust, rear axle performance ratio, high performance tires, and a rear spoiler. That package is $6,345, and this vehicle had an MSRP of $77,575 when it was brand new. Pretty nice interior. I love the shift paddles in these Corvettes and these C8s. It's a pretty cool interior. I like the cockpit feeling in here. The screen's pointed towards the driver, and you have a digital gauge cluster. I think these are very impressive cars for the price point. You have amazing performance, 2.9 seconds 0 to 60, very exotic feeling in the car and to the car. Mid-engined. Getting a mid-engine car with this performance at this price point is pretty insane. But yeah, you have this camera thing right there because it's kind of hard to see through that rear view mirror. Like, there's really no visibility because the engine's in the back. You can't see anything. And you have the obviously the electric doors with the Corvettes. You can pull this if you get locked out, if the battery dies or something, but that's how you can exit the vehicle. Pretty good looking car. And you have a frunk as well. Looks like it's drizzling a little bit. Here are your modes. You have Tour, Sport, Track. Let's just keep it in Sport. Seats are pretty comfortable, but they're very bolstered. Obviously, it's a very sporty car, so a lot of lateral bolstering and lateral support. Yeah, I mean, as I was saying, yeah, like, this thing is really fast. Like, these are no joke in terms of performance. And yeah, the paddles have a very satisfying click. Like, look at that. Very satisfying click when you pull the paddles. I love that. Cup holders are pretty shallow. You can see right there. But yeah, I mean, I wouldn't expect a car like this to have giant cup holders or anything like that anyway. The car seems to be handling pretty well in the rain. Blind spots, obviously you can't really see anything. Like, it's really good that it has blind spot monitoring, which is necessary because I can't see anything out of my blind spots, to be honest with you. Like, the thing with a car like this, it's really hard to, you know, for daily This is actually a really daily drivable car. A lot of people buy these to daily drive, and what's the point of having a car like this if you don't drive it often? You know what I mean? But you do have to definitely get used to the blind spots for sure, because it definitely is hard to see out of those. That's the thing with all mid-engine cars and all very slow coupes like this. It's just the territory with having a car like that. You know what I mean? But man, that engine sounds fantastic. This car is extremely fast. Very nice car. But honestly, like, yeah, kudos to Corvette for making a car like this for this price point. It's pretty insane that you can buy one of these for, you can buy like 21, 22 models in the $60,000 range, which is crazy to have this kind of performance. Because yeah, it's a very, very impressive car. Like me personally, I'm not a huge Corvette guy, but I really do like the way these perform. I've driven all kinds of Corvettes. I really like the C7 Corvette with the 6-speed manual. Those are awesome. Hey, look how responsive the transmission is. That's so impressive. Like, you pull the paddle, it'll, like, the transmission's so quick to respond. And the car, and even in the rain, has some pretty good, traction's pretty good. Seems to be, you know, holding its own in the rain pretty well. And yeah, you have a heated steering wheel as well. You have a Z mode, which is gonna put it in a very aggressive setting. Like, look at all the settings on the screen there. Everything becomes way more aggressive. And even the Z lights up on the steering wheel. I love that transmission. It's a fantastic. You feel so connected to the road in this car, that's for sure. It's literally a cockpit in here. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in tour mode. Oh, there's a weather mode. Interesting. Let's try weather mode. So I guess that's for, there's a snowflake on it, but I doubt anyone's gonna really be driving this car in snow. But I guess weather mode is good for rain and things like that. You just want to chill, you know, you just want to chill, drive pretty conservatively. You could put in weather mode in this kind of weather and just cruise along the road in traffic and things like that. And overall, very cool driving experience. I really like this car. Amazing performance for the price point. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Thank you for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you all in the next video.